Hello everyone, so today we are going to paint a beautiful painting of lotus. I'm using Grandink canvas on the size 8 by 11 inches. I'll start by sketching out the shape of the lotus and the background petals. For the middle part, I'm using lemon yellow and a hint of orange to create depth. For the petals, I'm using a mix of white, purple and pink. Now we will create a gradient effect using white color in the bottom part of the petals. We will use the same technique for all the petals. Don't forget to blend the colors in between because acrylic dry really quickly, so you have to be a little fast blending the colors. For the top part of the petals, I'm using a darker shade of pink. We will use the same color combination for all the petals. For this outer petal, I'm using a mix of white, yellow and pink color to create a more realistic gradient effect. For the leaf, I'm using lemon yellow and green color for the light areas. Now I'm using emerald green and white color for the outer leaves. I'm using different shades of green for the leaves to make it more realistic. Don't forget to blend the colors. Now we will paint the bigger leaf with olive green and white. For the darker areas, I'm using the pure shade of olive green. Using different shades of green create more depth in the leaves. I'm using light green for this entire area. We will paint the background using black and olive green to create more depth in the painting. Our painting is completed. Now I'll add small details on the leaves and it's done. I hope you all enjoyed the process. Thank you for watching.